Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of our A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to train your listening and comprehension as I speak. Are you ready? So today I'm going to talk about the weather. This is an important topic because everybody talks about the weather. If you are learning English, you need to know how to talk about the weather. So let's start. Let's begin with cold weather. Cold weather is my least favorite type of weather. When it's cold outside, I feel uncomfortable. For me, warm weather is better than cold weather. Some people love the cold, but I don't understand why. Laughs. Some places are extremely cold. For example, the city of Moscow is really cold in the winter. I visited Moscow once in January, and the temperature was minus 15 degrees Celsius. I couldn't stay outside for more than 10 minutes. In very cold cities, people need to wear many layers of clothes. They need hats, gloves, scarves, and warm boots. Do you like cold weather? Okay, now let's talk about rainy days. Actually, I quite enjoy rainy days. I know many people don't like rain, but for me, rainy days are perfect for staying at home and reading a good book. When it rains, I make a cup of hot tea and sit by the window. I love the sound of raindrops on the window. It's very relaxing. Of course, rain can be a problem if you need to go outside. You need an umbrella or a raincoat if you don't want to get wet. Some cities have a lot of rain, like Seattle in the USA or Manchester in England. These cities are famous for their rainy weather. People who live there always carry an umbrella with them. Rain is also very important for nature. Plants and trees need rain to grow. Without rain, we would have no food. So even if rain sometimes ruins our plans, it's necessary for life on Earth. Now, let's talk about stormy weather. Storms can be scary, especially thunderstorms with lightning and thunder. I remember one big storm when I was a child. The wind was so strong that it broke a tree in our garden. During storms, it's best to stay inside where it's safe. There are different types of storms. Some places have hurricanes, some have tornadoes, and some desert areas have sandstorms. Sandstorms are interesting because the sky turns orange or brown. Have you ever seen a big storm? Storms can be dangerous for travel too. Planes sometimes can't fly during storms, and driving can be risky. If there's a storm warning in your area, it's important to listen to the advice from weather experts. Okay, now let's talk about sunny weather. Sunny days make most people happy. When the sun is shining, people often feel more energetic and positive. Sunshine is also good for our health because our bodies make vitamin D when our skin gets sunlight. Some cities are famous for their sunny weather, like Dubai in the UAE or Barcelona in Spain. In these places, people can enjoy outdoor activities almost all year. I like to go hiking or have a picnic in the park when it's sunny, but too much sun can be dangerous too. It's important to wear sunscreen to protect your skin. Do you prefer sunny days or cloudy days? I definitely prefer sunny days because they make me feel happier. Another type of weather we should talk about is humid weather. Humidity means there's a lot of water in the air. When it's hot and humid, you feel much hotter than the actual temperature. For example, if it's 30 degrees Celsius but very humid, it might feel like 35 or even 40 degrees. Places near the ocean or in tropical regions often have high humidity. Singapore is a very humid city. When I visited Singapore, I was sweating all the time, even when I wasn't doing anything active. High humidity can make it difficult to sleep at night. Some people use air conditioners or dehumidifiers in their homes to make the air less humid and more comfortable. Lastly, let's talk about foggy weather. Fog is like a cloud that's very close to the ground. When it's foggy, it's difficult to see things that are far away. This can be dangerous for driving or flying. San Francisco is famous for its fog. The fog there is so common that locals have given it a nickname, Carl the Fog. Laughs. London is another city known for fog, especially in old stories and movies. Fog can be beautiful too, though. It makes everything look mysterious and magical. Mountains and forests in the fog look like something from a fairy tale. But if you're driving in fog, you need to be very careful and drive slowly. That's all for today. We've talked about different types of weather: cold, rainy, stormy, sunny, humid, and foggy. Weather affects our daily lives in many ways. It influences what we wear, what activities we can do, and even how we feel. What's your favorite type of weather? Leave a comment and tell me. I'll see you in the next video.